YouTube, what is y'all doing? Y'all already know what we finna get into today. Heading into the junkyard. I'm finna finally try and like take some more steps at finishing the interior on my IS 350. And they got 2 of them in here today. And so we finna make something happen. We finna make something shake. So yeah, we finna head in here and see what we find. Bro, everybody that came into the junkyard today and took a wheelbarrow, I hate you. Now I gotta use this broken one. Oh yeah, shouts out to my boy, he came out. I ain't seen him on the channel in a minute.
I'm back on the channel.
He been smoking and joking, you know, playing and, you know what I'm saying? But all this talking, we need to get some work. Look at this, bro. Hey man, I hate the curves, but like, damn this. You good at pushing baskets. Look at that giant, bro. Hey bro, we're gonna have to rob somebody for that wheelbarrow. Like somebody finna get jumped out here. Yeah, I see that. This one right there sitting there. We finna knock all that off. Got to have it. Yeah. Had to have it. Appreciate you pushing it too, bro, because oh, they just need a wheel alignment. You put that on the alignment rack. Alright, 25, so that's 23, 24. So 25 will be that. Alright, y'all, there's nothing like coming to the junkyard and just taking stuff apart. Like, look at this. You just pretty much manhandle it. Yank it out. Huh?
You ain't getting these.
Nah, it's just one. Look at that. Just pull all of that out. We're gonna have to get these seats out in the front. I ain't worried about that right now. I'll get that out. I wanted to get the headliner, but as y'all can see, same headliner I already got. So it's unneeded. I might have to get a flat head on some of these. Yeah, I might have to grab a flat head, but y'all get the gist. Just pull all this stuff out. I showed y'all me installing the carpet before uninstalling, so I'm not gonna waste this video doing that. We just gonna get to it. YouTube, me and that guy over there, we pretty much manhandled this carpet out of here, and it doesn't look bad. It actually looks pretty good. Of course, I'm gonna like pressure wash this, shampoo it, vacuum it, but it looks really good to me, honestly. So this is gonna be going in my IS. I can put this problem behind me now because now I have this. And there's another one out here we're gonna go check out, and I'm hoping I can get some trim pieces, something a lot easier than taking the carpet out. It won't be anything like this, and we can knock it out. So thank you for all of your parts, and yeah, I hope you're able to help somebody else out. Should we say a prayer for this car?
It's already done, man.
It's done.
It's already done.
Okay, so we're not gonna say a prayer for the car, obviously, because I've been directed it's useless. I don't know. This motor might still be good. It looks like the car.
Somebody might come to next week.
You know, it's real easy to get to. I don't need it. It's a 250 motor, but you know, it don't even look like it was leaking that bad. Obviously, the car was damaged, which led to it being here. So, old friend. All right, let's go. All right, y'all. I don't really have a lot of faith in this wheelbarrow, but you gotta do what you gotta do to make things happen. Come on. Since this thing sucks so bad, we decided we're gonna take turns pushing it. How much you charge an hour to push it? Good thing we're not gonna make it to an hour. Underlay. Alright, so y'all can see like the letters on the cars, L40. Y'all see the letters on the cars. That pretty much tells you the row and the size. So you got L over here, R over here. So you see one that says like we're going to L46, it's L42, L43, L44. So we got Few more rows to Carlos. You good? You hanging in there? You can switch. So we almost there. And then after this, we can leave. We at the back of the junkyard. Hey, you know, we need to get stop. We need to get a thumbnail, right? This will be a good thumbnail. All right, YouTube. This is the last car we were coming in here to look at. It's a great IS250, and we just got finished working hard and not smart. And I'm finna show y'all why. Looking into this car, you'll notice it's got black carpet and the seats are already taken out. We literally could have came here and got this one and not have to wrestle with those seats and everything, because this one's pretty much stripped down. I don't think I need anything out of this car. I was hoping I could find a black headliner. I'm not gonna find that. I was wondering if I should get these gray ones instead and use them, but all the work it's gonna take to take this down, I'm thinking like might not be worth it. And this one is like pretty dirty, so I'm thinking at this point I should just paint mine. Kind of getting worn out, like trying to find certain stuff. I do hate that we wasted time pulling the seats out the other car, because these carpets look great too and they're exactly what I needed, but I don't know. Wonder if I should try and grab the seat belts though. Those are black. The only problem is I don't have all of them. Wait. No, I don't have all of them. So I'm wondering if I should just grab those. I don't even think they'll sell me the seat belts from the junkyard, because when you get into a wreck, a lot of times they have like a little explosive mechanism that goes off. So they don't really want to sell it to you. So I'm not even sure this car was wrecked. It might have been wrecked back here. Don't know if that's how that looks under there or not. I don't think it is, because look at the muffler. It's a weird wreck, but it's not really a lot else I need from this car. They took the door, like they took.
Yeah, they got everything they could.
Somebody like really rebuilding a IS. I think this might have been the Mark Levinson system, so if so, these speakers might be worth taking. And usually you'll see like Mark Levinson on here somewhere, and I'm not seeing it, so maybe this wasn't the Mark Levinson. So yeah, I think I'm going to pass. I don't think I need anything out of this car at all. Sad, boys. It's real sad. Should we say a prayer for this car?
Ain't nothing left.
Hopefully it'll help somebody else. Like I said, the motor looks good on this one too. Not gonna be able to get into the trunk. Don't really care too. It's got a little rust action going on right here. All right, y'all. Hey, man. God dang. Woo, boy. This thing right here so hard to pull. It ain't even just hot out here. It just... Alright, y'all. I'm starting to see salvation. How you hanging in there?
I've been tired, bro. Yeah, it ain't even hot. It's just exhausting. We've been pushing this back and forth. Yeah, it's been hot. Moving in out the car.
This ain't nothing but a big block of ice right now. It's not helping me, it's hurting. Hey, look, man, I'm not gonna stop you, bro. We ain't got that far to go. We almost, it's salvation. You need me to like give you some type of speech or something? You want me to sing like gospel songs or something?
You guys about to drop that off?
It's broke.
Oh, it is?
It's terrible, man.
I'm not sure if it's helping us or hurting us, but
I mean, better than nothing, though.
I don't know.
It's hooked up with a string.
It's pretty bad.
Yeah?
Like, cause you like the whole time you lifting it, like.
Oh, that's what I was using yesterday.
Yeah. So if you want it, then you can probably make the rest of it.
Yeah.
All right, YouTube. The joys of having a huge trunk. I got that whole carpet in here with no issue. So, think we finna go get some food?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to.
Comida.
I guess that's what that means, bro.
All right, we're gonna figure out some lunch plans. I know I'm not installing this carpet today, so I don't know. Hey man, despite what's going on, you know what I'm saying? Like, it ain't nothing bad going on or nothing like that, but like, I don't know what type of day y'all having this Sunday, but it's pretty out here, man. I'm thinking I might end up actually like painting my interior parts. I didn't want to do that, but like at this point it's like, forget it. Like, I'm just gonna do it. And if I do paint it, it's gonna be black, so just gonna get it as dark as possible, so you know, it shouldn't be a problem. I'm still thinking about like doing my interior, my headliner in suede, like just doing some type of overlay. I haven't abandoned that idea, but I don't know. We'll see what happens, y'all. We'll see what happens in the rest of this video. The weather's right. It's not too hot, not too cold. It just feels good out here, man. So I don't know. I might just enjoy the rest of the day, and we'll pick this interior swap stuff back up with the next one, or the next time I record, I guess. YouTube, it's been a minute since my last recording in this video. Actually, as you can see, it looks like I'm in a new garage, but I'm actually not. Painted in here, got some new lights put up. Next, we're gonna do the floors, but before we do the floors, I got a lot of decluttering to do here. And the first thing that I need out of my way is this huge carpet right here. Now, in the last scene or whatever, y'all saw me pull this thing from the junkyard. Since then, I have pressure washed this thing, cleaned it several times over, and you can see it looks good. And I don't know if I did a good job of actually explaining why I'm doing the carpet again. So originally, and don't make this mistake, when I bought this carpet, it was for an all-wheel drive. An all-wheel drive has a transfer case. If I get this out of here, the all-wheel drive has a transfer case, and the carpet is made to like go over that. And as you can see, it's like coming out right there. Don't make the same mistake I did. I had already pulled it out at the time, so I was like, it's going in here. But now I gotta do more work because I didn't do this right the first time. So this gets annoying because it's kind of in the way when I'm driving, and it just shouldn't be like that. It's not the right carpet for the car. So today we're just gonna be throwing this in here. Y'all have seen me do this several times, so I might try to time lapse it or have somebody help record. I don't know, but it's gotta get done today because I'm tired of having it in the way. And that's probably what we're doing in this portion of the video. Like I said, I am gonna be replacing the dashboard in this car. I don't know if I want to tie all of this into one video because I don't know when I'm gonna get the dashboard. I just go ahead and throw this out. So we'll see how that goes. You probably know from the title of the video what I decided. But let's get into it. Alright YouTube, now that I got the carpet out, obviously this one's dirtier, it's been in the car, but you can see exactly the hump that I'm talking about right here. In fact, I can push it in and stuff. It's just like a divot right here in the carpet for the transfer case on the all-wheel drive. This is not an all-wheel drive, and you don't see that. And this carpet looks and smells a lot better. So Gonna get this thrown in now.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh.
Alright, YouTube, old carpet out, new carpet in, job is all done. You see, probably don't tell the difference. This is probably the only spot. Now this little hook thing right here that holds the carpet in place is functional. Like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna add anything else to this video. So if I don't, you know what to do, like, comment, subscribe. If you wanna see more content, peace.